Again, let me see from the side. There you go.
I have to take out my helmet.
Okay.
I need to take out my helmet too. You don't know how to do the dirt. Are you deaf?
From the side. I want to see from the sideways. Sideways. Look this way.
You can do the egg so well.
Okay, come on.
Huh?
Let me see, Romel. Sideways. Look there.
Look over there.
Okay, go do it. Let me see you, Tonio. Next to Romel. Come on, let me see. Look at Antonio, he's gonna do it too. Let me see. Oh. Oh, there we go. How old are you?
Hey, bro, let me see that. I can jerk too.